And from this report to the stock market now, negative trade persisted at the nation's stock market on Monday as falling share prices dominated business. Effiong Ekop has closing figures of Monday's trade.
We had dull trade on the floor of the exchange this Monday, where the Royal Exchange Assurance and aviation equipment handling company NACO lost heavily. The two companies experienced price drops on the back of huge stock sales by investors who preferred conversion for cash. A significant development on the floor concerned Wema Bank, which crossed 2.6 billion units of shares in mid-trade. With the bank's share price staying low at 62 kobo per share, it was clear that a strategic investor must have seen value in the stock. The benchmark index of the markets measuring stock price movements was down 0.36% at the close of business. Also today, Alex PLC, operating fish farms and allied agriculture in Port Harcourt, listed 1.8 billion units of shares for trading in the secondary markets.
We have transformed that company from being a fish business into an oil palm business. So Alex acquired Telluria Farms, and Telluria Farms, prior to the acquisition, operated an oil palm plantation. So what we have done right now is to transform Alex and give it a new lease on life.
Outside Nigeria, the stock market in Tanzania closed in red. Mining, manufacturing and financial sectors boosted trade. The market in Morocco closed strong. Investors paid attention to fixed income securities where corporate bonds were outstanding. Back in West Africa, the stock market in Accra, Ghana was down. Institutional investors moved into the stock market with renewed hope. Effiong Ekop, TVC News at the Stock Exchange.
Thank you, Effiong. And crude oil prices are looking downward at the various trade centers following crisis in the market. The European Brent crude is down at $68 per barrel. The U.S. favors weak oil market to enable cheap crude to oil the engines of American factories. Meanwhile, the OPEC price is dropping to a new level that may badly affect earnings by some African nations.